So hello everyone. Today's topic is states of matter, gases and liquid. In this chapter, before learning about the chapter, we need to know what is a matter. So anything which occupies space and has mass is known as matter. So in this chapter, there are three states of matter. We know that is solid, liquid and gas. So we can understand it by the help of a comparison between solid, liquid and gas. The in case of solid, the arrangement of constituent particles are very close, means they occupy the fixed positions. Thus solid possess long range order, whereas liquids constituent particles are less order packed, that is short range order. Gases have definite do not have definite arrangement, and the constituent particles are widely separated from one another. So these are the basic differences between on the basis of arrangement of constituent particles. Interparticle distance. In case of interparticle distances are fixed and are very small, whereas interparticle distances are greater than those in solid and slightly variable. The interparticular distances are quite large as compared to those in solids and liquids. Similarly, in case of movements of particles, the constituent particles can only vibrate about the fixed point. The movement of particle in case of solid is movement is around only the mean position, that is the fixed point, whereas in case of liquid the intermolecular force is not that strong and they can move here and there. And in case of gases, the particles are free to move in all directions. They can show rotational and vibrational motions. Shape. Since the constituent particles are fixed at lattice point, they have definite shape. And in case of liquid, no definite shape is there. Even gases do not have definite shape. If we talk about volume, solids have fixed volume, whereas liquid have a fixed volume at a given temperature, and gases do not have the fixed volume, so they can occupy the available volume. Same cases for the compressibility. Solids are very less compressible, liquids are more compressible and gas is the most compressible. So this is about the compressibility factor. This is the comparison of states of matter of solid, liquid and gases. Intermolecular forces and thermal energy. So what is the intermolecular force? It is the force existing between the molecules of a substance are called intermolecular forces, while those existing within the molecule of a substance is known as intramolecular forces. Higher the boiling point, greater is the magnitude. Higher the boiling point, greater is the magnitude. Similarly, in case of types of intermolecular forces, in dipole-dipole, dipole-induced, ion-dipole, ion-induced dipole, dispersion force and hydrogen bonding. These are the types of forces which you have to remember. You don't need to learn in detail of these points, only the name is important. The types of intermolecular forces. In this type of interaction, the most important one is hydrogen bonding. So first of all, you must note down the question which has come in the board exam related to hydrogen bonding. That is, what is hydrogen bond? What is hydrogen bond? Second question is, what is the condition of hydrogen bond formation? What is the condition for hydrogen bond formation? elements that form hydrogen bond. What are the important elements that form the hydrogen bond? So these three questions are important. You all might be knowing that hydrogen bond is shown by a dotted line. It is shown with the help of dotted line. Suppose in case of water H2O, so you can see here H is bonded to O, whereas if suppose some other molecule of water is there, then there will be a hydrogen bond between the oxygen and hydrogen of other atom. As you can see in the diagram, these dotted lines show the hydrogen bond. So out of all intermolecular forces, hydrogen bonding is important. So second question is, what are the types of intermolecular forces? Dipole dipole, dipole induced, ion induced dipole, dispersion and hydrogen bonding. We will be discussing some of the important points in our second video. Thank you.